Hello there. Could you please tell me your name?
Assalamualaikum. My name is Pakhi Akhtar.
And how old are you, Paki?
I'm 27 years old.
That's good. Good. Can you please talk about your family?
I'm from big family of 7 members. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters. My father's left and my mother's housewife.
Okay, and what do you do?
Basically, I'm a homemaker. I manage my home and my family.
Do you have any kids?
Yes, I have one child.
Okay, and how old is he?
He's 8 years old.
And in which class does he read in?
He read in class 2.
What about your husband? Where does he live?
My husband lives in Australia.
Okay. Do you plan to go to Australia someday?
Yes, I plan to move to Australia someday.
Okay. Can you please talk about your favorite person?
My favorite person is Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and he's my idol. Personally, I follow his Sharia. I think everybody instruction.
You
and
mean
guidance,
everybody should follow his instructions and guidance
guidance to shine and prosper.
to shine and prosper? Okay. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried chicken.
Please tell me your daily routine.
Every morning I get up and freshen myself at 7 o'clock. Then I give order to my maid to make breakfast for us. Then I dress up my child for his school. Then I pack him tiffin. After that I walk him for his school at 8 o'clock. In the afternoon I take shower. Then I cook lunch for my family. Then after cooking lunch for my family, then I offer salad. Then I have lunch with my family members, and then I clean dishes and refresh myself. Finally, I take a nap with my child. In the evening, I get up from a nap at 5 o'clock. Then I make snacks for my child. Like noodles, soup, fried chicken, and so on. Then I help him study. Then in my free time I watch YouTube or read book. Then I make dinner for my family members and eat together. Finally, I slowly start getting ready for bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much. What is your future plan?
My future plan is to be a better Muslim and successful professional.
Nice. Can you please tell me about your education?
Well, I complete in SSC and SSC in 2011 and 2013 respectively. Then I graduate in arts from Tongbury Degree College.
Okay, can you talk about your school?
It's pretty good to talk about my school life. I was a student of Brown Vita High School. It's really beautiful school. It was really very beautiful school. I remember my school and my teachers, my classmates always. I remember them all.
Okay, so basically you're trying to say you miss them all. You miss them all,
Yeah,
right? Okay.